So already started, but what we got here is a stuck B&W turnover ball hitch on a Ford F-350 2013. So the process of fixing this is this was stuck all the way down because it was rusted. So I hit it with WD-40 a couple times, a couple nights. That didn't work. It wasn't penetrating. And then I looked on YouTube pretty much what you guys gonna do, but dude had like a 15-minute video just to say put a board or something underneath the truck. And this is all ghetto. I got two jacks, one jack on the other side, this jack is over here with a board, two boards in between pushing up on the hitch. And got all the weight on the hitch, and now it's slowly rising. But to break it free, I had to use Thor's Milner to break that free, and now it's slowly coming up. So I'm continuing hitting it until it breaks free. You want to hit on the circle edge right here, not on the